Hello everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to easily create a stylish mobile bottom menu for your WordPress site. Having a bottom menu makes your site look modern and gives visitors a smooth browsing experience on mobile devices. To get started, first, we need a plugin. Go to the plugin section and install it. Search for WP Mobile Bottom Menu. This is the plugin. Install and activate it. You'll notice a new option called WPB Nav Settings in your dashboard. From there, you can customize and set up your stylish bottom menu in just a few clicks. You'll see several options. Tap on the Premade theme option. Here, you'll see a few ready-made themes. Since we're using the free version, not all of them will be available. However, you'll still have access to some nice ones to use. Tap on any theme and a pop-up will appear. Here, you'll get two options: Import Style Only and Import Full Template. You can choose to import just the style or the entire template. In my case, I chose Import Full Template. As you can see, all the menus and styles are now the same. Let's choose Style Only first. Here, you can see that only the style has been imported. I want to use the full template, so I'm switching to it. To customize the menu, go to Appearance, click Menus, select BNav Bottom Menu. From here, you can add new items or remove existing ones. To remove, click Bulk Select, choose the item, and hit Remove Selected Item. To add a new menu, create a page, select it. Click Add to Menu and adjust its position as needed. Tap a menu to customize. You can hide text, show icons, or switch icon mode. To change an icon, click Add Icon. Pick one and save it. Now go to WPB Nav Settings. Click General Settings to customize the bottom menu. For example, set the background. Choose Gradient Color. Pick your colors. And save to apply. Here, you can adjust the border color, border radius, shadow, margin, and padding. For example, change the upper margin and save it. You'll see the menu move slightly upward. Let's go to the main menu customizer. You can customize the number of grids as you need. The alignment section lets you change the menu position to center, left, or right. The menu scroll bar toggle adds a scroll bar to the bottom menu. Then, background type. Choose solid color, gradient, or image. If you pick image, upload one from the media library and adjust options like background position, repeat, attachment, origin, and clip. Save it to apply. Let's leave it as the default. You can customize the blur, padding, and margin for the bottom menu. Add a border, choose the border type, and set the border color. Save it and check the result. Try the offset feature. It moves the menu up from the bottom, so it doesn't overlap with other items. Save it and check the result. Let's keep it at the default. Customize the item border, active border, border radius, item background color, and active background color. Change the icon position to top, right, bottom, or left. Adjust the icon typography and color as needed. The text, typography, and active text typography settings let you adjust the font, family, style, subset, alignment, and transform of the menu text. You can also customize the text color in these sections. And that's it. You now have a stylish, fully customized mobile bottom menu for your WordPress site.